Usually when people send us stuff, it's garbage or crap. And this is actual crap.
These are gut pearls from a horse.
Gut pearls.
Also known as poo pearls. Or intestinal stones.
So a horse ate something that it didn't like, its body didn't agree with, and so that...
Like maybe some string or something?
So that just kind of stayed in the horse's intestines.
And then balled up with calcium deposits over time.
And we read that this can also be more common in horses that are drinking like really hard water because those minerals can kind of build up on it too, right?
I'll go with that.
Mitchell claims it smells like a gobstopper.
I said jawbreaker, but yeah.
That's the same thing.
Like, it honestly doesn't smell bad.
Like, you think it smells good? Oh, that's disgusting.
It didn't taste bad either. It's definitely intestinal.
I feel gross just holding it. You can see this one, it's got like a chip out of it right there. And you can see some kind of straw or hay-like material in there. So really, who knows what we're gonna find once we cut this in half. We'll see all the layers of the jawbreaker, and hopefully at the very center, what caused this thing to form. Sanitize it good.
Oh, that's gross right now. This was a bad idea.
We're also kind of afraid that once this like goes in there, like, and we cut it in half, is it gonna start like rehydrating some of the organic material inside
Probably
of
gonna
it?
smell like poop.
Yeah, it's gonna be bad. But before we take a look inside, I've got a question for you.
Okay.
What do Mike Tyson, J.R. Smith, and Melissa Etheridge all have in common?
They all have ears.
Yes, and that's why they are all obsessed with Raycons. If you have ears, I think you'd love them too. Raycon earbuds start about half the price of other premium audio brands, but they sound just as good.
I have their everyday E25s. It's their best model yet. One of the things I love best about them is they charge in the case, they fit discreetly in my pocket, and they pair seamlessly with my phone so I can listen to my sweet tunes anytime. Be good to your ears. Buy some Raycons. There's a 45-day return policy if you don't like them, so you've got nothing to lose. Click the link in the description to get yours now.
Or you can go to buyraycon.com/waterjet and you'll get 15% off your order. Raycon has been a longtime sponsor of the channel, and I've had mine for about a year now. If you haven't gotten yours already, what are you waiting for? You've got nothing to lose.
Let's get back in there and check out those horse nuts.
Initial impressions, smell.
A little bit of a weird smell as it's going through.
Okay. Pull it apart. Oh.
That's a jawbreaker, all right.
Wow.
Is that like a piece of metal or something in there?
That, I think, is what started the whole thing. That first layer just looks really gross. I can't tell what that is, though.
I'm gonna polish it up on the grinder.
There it is, all sanded and polished up, and I have no idea what that thing is in the center. What's your best guess? Go.
I don't know.
Nothing?
I thought I'd see more poop layers, to be honest.
Yeah. I think that's what that is in the center. I think those are the poop layers, that starburst pattern. I think those are the poop layers, and then the calcium kind of builds up around the poop. That's gross. Reveal it.
Looks about the same.
Something very similar. Get a poop starburst in the middle.
Is it like a rock, maybe?
That's kind of what I'm thinking. I'm thinking they're rocks.
But like, why couldn't your body like just pass a tiny pebble?
Maybe it can, but that's like if a tiny rock gets like stuck in one of the folds of your intestines, you know, and it just chills there.
And then gets covered in a poop starburst.
Yeah. I'm thinking that's what happened. I'm no doctor, but that's my professional opinion.
Should we polish this one?
Might as well. Mitchell got the polish. Mitchell got the polish down better on this one, but he went a little too crazy and ground out whatever the centerpiece was. So this is just poop and
hard poop.
And hard poop. That was pretty cool looking, but gross when you think about what it is. Clay toss. Hit Baby Yoda.
I don't want to do that. I want to hit right in front of Baby Yoda.
Okay, right in front of Baby Yoda. Oh, not very close.
Not very far.
Debatable. Attempt 2.
Hit the other one and bounced off.